So for our next little project, you can see here we actually filled in vent holes for the where the old absorption refrigerator used to be. We filled that in with PVC plastic panel, and then we used the RV roof man to completely seal that. It's actually held in place by VHB. We did the same thing down there at the bottom. The propane's been capped and all that hidden away. But all this stuff right here is going to have this panel, which will make it look like real wood, and it's going to case all the way through that. So stay tuned and watch the transformation. Okay, so we got the first piece test fit. I still have to cut out for the outlet right down here, but just wanted to get a test fit, make sure I had the height, and you can see I got that in there smooth as butter. So now gotta get it mounted, and then we'll move on to the sides. Alright folks, here is the end result. So we now have everything sealed off. Those vents are gone, everything is all sealed up. Everything is moved. Got the outlet right here. Everything's ready to go. So we'll be back once the refrigerator's installed on Friday. We'll get some final video of everything in place. Stay tuned.